In this short tutorial, I will show you how to log out of your Outlook account on a mobile device. Logging out of your Outlook account is important to ensure the security and privacy of your emails and personal information. To get started, open up the Outlook mobile app and then tap on the profile icon at the top left corner. And then tap on the gear icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. Once you are on the settings page, you'll see a section called Mail Accounts, and in that section, you'll see your Outlook account. Just tap on it. After that, scroll down to the very bottom. And then tap Remove Account. Remove account from this device. Just tap Remove to confirm it. This is exactly how you can log out of your Outlook account on a mobile device. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.